G'day, Tony, Chief Thinking Guy from TrackMe NZ. I'm here to show the 100 milers which devices they're going to be using for tracking this year. We are using the GARMIN Mini 2, and that's what it looks like when it's out of its pouch. You'll be given it to you like that. It's sealed, it'll be going, turned on and already tracking. All we want you to do is loop through the hole in the back here with a couple of cable ties or around a strap. Make sure that you mount it high on your shoulder, or if you're carrying a pack, put it in the very top of the pack, right up there like that. This is its aerial, that needs to be pointing up so we can get the best response we can from you. Now, should you have a great day, run your 100 mile and don't need anything else, you'll finish with it just like that. Should you need to message us and get any help, you remove it from its packet. So you undo the Velcro and it slides out. When it slides out, you end up with it like this. On the screen, it's basically just giving you the time and also giving the fact that it's tracking. Now, the two buttons that you're going to need for help, the major one, if you come across somebody who has had a medical event or you're suffering a medical event yourself or fallen over and can't get anywhere, go any further, peel off this cap, press the button underneath, and it starts a countdown. Now, if you don't stop that countdown before it reaches 0, it sends it off to SOS and then we'll send in the medical team. So I'll press the return key on the side there, stops it. Please don't play with it, only set it off in a medical emergency. If you need to be picked up but are not medical emergencies, so you've just got too tired or you've had a crescendo tube blowout, something like that, press the top button and it comes down with new message. Scroll down to check-in, press the top button again, which is the OK button, come down and the second message says help, need help at this location, cannot continue. Send that button by pressing the OK, it'll come up and say send. It may tell you that it's waiting for a position, just go send and wait and send anyway. So once that's done, it whistles off and you'll hear a little whistle go out and they will know the message has been sent. So those are the two messages that if you get into trouble you might need to send. So one's a medical emergency for you or somebody else you've come across, and the other one is just that you need to pick up because you can't complete the event. At the finish line, take it off your pack, drop it in the box provided, and we'll take care of it. And make sure if you're carrying it high, your friends and family can follow you. So that's the Mini 2, and that'll be used for the 100 miler in the spectacle event this weekend. Tony, Chief Thinking Guy, TrackMe Adventure. Here we can see the buttons that are applied to the GARMIN Mini, and you can see how the power button on the top and the scroll buttons on the left, and here you can also see that the SOS button is on the right, and you peel that back to hit the SOS.